Shiba Inu has got some exciting news that I want to share with you guys, and I honestly think Shiba is silently sleeping right now and is still going to get another massive leg up during this particular bull run. So Shiba Inu pricing right now 0.00002925. Hasn't really been doing that much on the month. I do say that like it's not moved at all. It has of course pumped a lot, but on the 7 days, you know, it could do more, and I think not many people are talking about it right now, but we are getting a beautiful steady rise. We're not close to the all-time high at all just yet, but hopefully we can get there one day. I mean, we got to get to $37 billion market capital, and then also factor in the inflation that comes around with that at the same time. Anyways, guys, let's talk about Shibarium. What's happened with Shibarium? There's a hard fork, as we can see here. The Shibarium mainnet has been upgraded, so it says Heimdall and Bohr hard forks are live, bringing Ethereum's Dogecoin compatibility, better stability, optimized performance, and new upgraded burn contracts. So this will help increase the scarcity of the coin and reduce some of that massive supply that, of course, Shiba has got. So we'll read about this in a bit later on down on the video. I think we can have a look at the article, but I'm sure you guys are very curious about the price structure and what's happening at the moment with Shiba Inu. Of course, if you're looking to buy or trade Shiba, you can do it using the BitUnix exchange, which is a fantastic new partner. I met them in Singapore not too long ago. And if you want to do any crypto buying, crypto leverage trading, no KYC, globally accessible, and bonuses due away, you can check out BitUnix down below. It's a very, very popular exchange, very nice exchange, and I really love the UX and UI with this particular exchange. So let's just talk about what is going on overall with Shiba Inu. So we can see it's really got nowhere near the previous sort of all-time high. You can see just looking at the last time in 2021, it was a 28-day run, and then it pretty much corrected, similar to what happened now, except we are getting a proper bounce out of this hole and maybe a second wave. So we had the big run here, which is the 2-week massive run that came up to 0.000045. Then we corrected down in this big descending channel, but we did actually bounce out of this 0.00001 hole. It's done a 3x since then, guys. So if we can get more continuation, break through this diagonal resistance of around 0.000372, we should be able to get more sustenance. So what really happened is Shiba Inu was extremely overbought on the weekly RSI, and this happened in 2021. The RSI tells you a lot. It tells you exactly how overbought an asset is and where to ideally sell Shiba Inu. So the next time I would be personally selling Shiba Inu is when that relative strength index moves back up to this sort of 80 plus region. That's when it's very overbought. There's a lot of greed. Too much is going on, and it's probably going to come back down soon. So it might not happen on the weekly, but it could. On the daily, similar sort of approach. It didn't actually get there, or it did, of course. Same place it did it on the weekly back in March, but it's not really entered the 85 plus territory. It's not even overbought right now, actually. On the daily time frame, I'd be looking at sort of 80 to 85 on that relative strength index to actually also start selling Shiba Inu. But at the moment, it's following the plan. It's consolidating sideways, which is this kind of white rectangle. And I do think we'll see another wave of euphoria at some point. So this was, of course, your consolidation wave, which can be our yellow rectangle, but this is still a bull phase. We're not actually in the consolidation phase. We're not in the accumulation phase, and it could be a while until we actually get there. So this is still the bull phase right here, and that consolidation window will happen later on in time where we can start to accumulate Shiba Inu maybe in 2025 or 2026 at much lower prices. I still think we are due first some sort of catapult to the upside, whether that takes us to 0.00009 or something like that to retest the previous all-time high. I'm not sure, but ultimately what we want to see is a true all-time high here from Shiba Inu. If we use our Fibonacci extension, the 2618 golden pocket tells us that we can potentially remove realistically a 0 for Shiba this coming cycle. And if that happens, we would see this go up 265% if we get everything and all our Shiba Inu dreams go the way we want them to. So of course we want that, but you know, I don't know the future. I wish I did, and I guess if I did, millions of people would be doing a lot better in life, right? Analyst says he likes Shiba Inu a lot from here, predicts a surge to 0.000069. So 69 is another level that could be a POI, a big point of interest. Second largest meme by market cap, has entered yet another consolidatory phase after a recent price outbreak. For context, Shiba Inu surged to an 8-month high of 0.000033 on the first day of December. So it has had a correction and it has moved to the upside. So is it set for another 130% sort of move to the upside, taking it to this 0.7 on the Fibonacci, as we can see over here? Could be a realistic play. It could be something that definitely might happen, right? We've of course got a lot of retail interest in the markets. New fresh liquidity is entering. People that have not really tapped into the realm of cryptocurrency are getting curious, and every single year there's always a new batch of 18-year-olds that want to get into these markets. Also, huge shout out to the patrons, by the way, in my private group down below. Beautiful trades. If you want to also amplify your crypto gains, make more money, you can check out my Patreon group. It's down below. We've only got a couple slots left of Crypto Champions, which is $65 a month, or you can become a crypto legend for $110 a month. We do have some more budget-friendly Patreon options here as well, guys, but this will help you amplify your crypto gains, achieve time, location, financial freedom through access to high-value crypto opportunities like alpha calls, straight to DEX launches, and also trading signals to help you get there. And also we've got education and a bunch of other stuff too. So please do check it out. The link is down below. Now, you can see the Shibarium Cancun hard fork is live. What does this mean for Shiba Inu layer 2 blockchain? Where we can see it says bringing significant upgrades to scalability and validator efficiency while positioning the layer 2 solution for seamless compatibility with Ethereum's ongoing advancements. The hard fork activated at block number 8200512, which introduced substantial modifications to Shiba Inu's layer 2 network's core component, Heimdall and Bohr. So this is another big expansion. I don't want to read this whole thing. It could be quite fun to do that. Maybe save it for another video. But basically what we know is Shiba Inu is upgrading. The ecosystem is getting better and better, more robust and versatile. On the day, bullish. On the week, bullish. On a month, bullish. I don't really know how to say it, but this is a very bullish month right here. Also, before we go, quick touch on Pepe Unchained. This is a new meme coin ICO, which is a Pepe coin alternative layer 2 ecosystem. It's got a DEX, a bridge, it's got staking rewards, developer grants, it's got the whole lot. It's going to end in 9 days, 21 hours, but I think honestly it's going to end in just a few days at the rate they are selling tokens. They've raised $67 million. One Pepe Unchained coin is $0.01295, and all you need to do to buy this is head over to the website down below, do a bit of research and due diligence, connect your wallet, like a MetaMask wallet or a Coinbase wallet, and convert either Ethereum or Tether directly into your desired amount of Pepe Unchained tokens. Of course, very, very bullish to see where this one can go. It's got 8 billion tokens with no inflation, no buy or sell tax, and this could be one that actually goes very, very far. It says last chance to buy before major exchange listings, which could also be, some big ones like Kraken, Robinhood, Bybit. Maybe we'll even see something major like Binance or Coinbase. That would be incredible, of course, if that happened. And you can see they're getting a lot of traction, a lot of likes, a lot of retweets on their Twitter page, now up to 67k followers. So growing more and more. I'll leave a link to that down below. Thank you guys for watching this. Also, do consider becoming a patron, like I say, if you want those extra sort of signals and to amplify your crypto portfolio and journey. And if you are doing any sort of meme coin leverage trading or buying crypto, make sure you're geared with the right sort of exchange as well. So we've got BitChinex, which are a fantastic exchange out there for global use and no KYC. Thanks for watching. Shiba Inu Army, you let me know what you think about Shiba Inu. Do you think we will get this big pump and remove a zero? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Bye for now. Subscribe, like, share it with your friends, hit the notification bell. Peace.